Okay, guys, my name is Rudy Sangan. I want to share to those who has a problem with this recording on this drone to this SD card. So this is the brand of the SD card. Yeah, the brand of the SD card. Okay, it's written like scan this ultra, scan this ultra. So number one is you buy this a new one, and then you put the new SD card into this into your mobile phone. Okay, into your mobile phone, and you put on that slot, and after you put on the slot, you try to see the file manager on this phone. After you success in order to see what is inside in the SD card, and then after that you take off the SD card from your mobile phone, and then you put on this slot of this drone like this. You put on this slot like drone, and then you switch off the drone, and you fly the drone and try to record the picture, whatever you try to test into this SD card. Okay, that is the way I did when I have a problem in order to record the video on this SD card. Thank you.